Perhaps you might capture, if only for one magic moment, that thrilling instant when the surfboard makes you part human, part bird, part fish.
Okay, so the plan today is to get to Maro, which is one town east of where we are. We're in Nera, and there's supposed to be a really spectacular waterfall down there somewhere that's worth seeing. We're about 2 hours in our search for the waterfall. We went down this way, but it's a dead end, so we're going to try another route. But what we did find was a fruit, I think it's called chirote? Chiote. And it's this delicious sort of creamy, custardy fruit that I think is originally from Latin America and was brought here instead of the other way around. I'll show you the fruit, I'll show you the tree. It's absolutely delicious, and we'll still try and find the waterfall. All right, so that's the path to the waterfall. So you saw it's kind of like this wooden, steep, kind of laddery kind of thing. Anyway, we found the waterfall, but this is as close as we're getting to it. So this really has become my favorite fruit. It's just delicious. I didn't know where the trees were, so pretty happy to find sort of a whole grove of them. Obviously, we're not going to pick anything off the tree, but I found this one on the ground. Let me show you what it looks like inside. It's like beautiful custard with these black seeds, and really, really, really delicious. It's like really eating a delicious, soft, fresh custard.
You make a fire, yes, 3 hours,
Yeah.
and put there,
Yeah.
and after you make a tent, and you make,
Yeah.
and go butter.
Oh, steam.
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Wow, sauna.
100
degrees.
Yes, yes.
Temperature. Wow.
It's very natural.